Learning to drive today, so should be very interesting, and you're coming with me. Let's go.
Everybody, a very warm welcome from Continental. We are so happy to have you here today. Not only are we celebrating the launch of our Conti SportContact 7, but we are also celebrating Continental's 75th anniversary. So thank you for joining us. This is about really seeing, touching, feeling those tires. You're going to have the experience with the premium tires from Continental as well as one of our budget tires. Really push the limits. Your instructors are here to guide you.
Welcome. The history of our company is very important. 1947 when it started. Since then there have been a few really important highlights. So this rooftop advert, some of you may remember, was that crazy guy in an Opel Kadett on a rooftop building doing handbrake turns and refused to have a big thick steel cable to hold it in case it went over the edge. No one would get away with not having a proper safety system in place these days, but that set the scene for what was going to follow with the SportContact family. Now, if you look, a couple of things have changed. So in 1994, we had a 13 to 20 inch product range, and it's narrowed significantly over the years. And the reason for that is we've got an Eco Contact range, we have a Premium Contact range, and a Sport Contact range now. So we kind of don't have to be one tire fits all approach. What was also interesting is, look at this. Back in 2001, 22 inch tires already in the market. So technology's moved on, but we're really chuffed to be here with this new product.
We drive on the track. We always keep our hands on the steering wheel at the 9 o'clock and 3 o'clock position, because that's the easiest way you can control the car, right? And your steering wheel is actually designed like that for your thumbs to rest here, all right? We're going to be using the lower half of the track. I'll explain everything to you, what the cones mean, where to brake, where to accelerate, and how to enter the slalom and what to do there. Copy that, Mo? Right, let's do a quicker one.
Oh, cock. Oh my god.
Onto the brakes, off the brakes, through the corner, don't accelerate. Squeeze the accelerator, onto the brakes gently, squeezing them, off the brakes, turn in, squeeze the accelerator, open up the steering wheel, feel that grip, start slacking off and braking gently for the slalom, hold on, in and out on the slalom, and now we can hit a cone, go around that, and not even a tire squeal. That whole way around, not even a tire squeal.
That was fun, I must say.
You see,
But
here's the other kids coming through, so we'll wait for them.
But
You don't have to do that speed, please. Don't think you have to do that. I don't expect you to do that.
I guess we can go faster.
but 60 is okay, right?
To pull away, yes. No, I'm joking.
Hi Nancy, you are good to go. Straight up to the top, U-turn at the top there, keep to your right hand side, then straighten the car, come to your left, right hand, then left once more, sharp right hand side, then come back to the left, and then come and stop in the garage, all four wheels stationary between the plates. That tyre performs in the same conditions. Okay, I'm wiring it, you're good to go. A brake, a tight turn left. Come back to your right hand side, sharp left, switch over to the right, back to your left, come straight to that, stop. Again, all four wheels in the garage.